drywall mudding going on here at this house by the master drywaller here, Julius.
You got me.
All right, what we doing here, Julius?
Right now, we putting on a second bed coat. Trying to level the walls out, pretty much. Let it dry, come back, put a third coat on it.
All right. So underneath that, there's tape.
Yes, it's we got what you call a fiberglass tape to keep it from cracking. And we're using a special type of mud called Easy Sand 90 or Dual Bond 90.
Nice.
From cracking.
All right, and after it dries, what, it takes like overnight or 8 hours or?
Drying process for this type of mud, it'll be dry within another hour.
Nice, okay. And then after that, then what's the process?
We'll put another skim coat of ready mix on it, let that dry overnight, and then sand it.